Hello guys, in this Java Collections framework video, I am happy to share with you how to initialize a list with some default values in just one line. I am Nam Ming at codejava.net. Let me show you some code examples right away. So usually we declare initialize a list like this. You see, declare a list of type string and add some elements to the list using the add method. So you can see this kind of initialization is quite long and somewhat boilerplate, and there should be a more compact way to initialize a list in easier way. And second example, a list of integer numbers is declared and initialized like this, you see, using the add method to add elements to the list collection. Let me run this program to let you see the output. Run as Java application. You see, it prints the elements into list, common animals, and first 10 prime numbers. Now, I'm going to show you how to rewrite the code in a more compact way. So instead of using the add method to add elements like this, we can initialize this list like this using the Arrays class in the Java UT package, and use is as list method that takes elements, and we pass the elements here: dog, cat, duck, chicken, pig, mouse, and fox. So you can see this is code that creates and initializes a list in just a single line, you see. So we can delete the code that uses the add method. You see, now the code is more compact, just a single line to create and initialize a list with some default elements. Now let me run the program again, and we see the same output here, you see. And similarly, for the list of integer numbers, yeah, we can use another way, more compact way to initialize and declare and initialize default elements in just one line like this. We can use the of method from the list interface and passing the numbers here. First 10 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. You see, the code is much more compact, right? And run the program, and we got the same output. And note that both the Arrays.asList and List.of methods return an unmodifiable list fixed size. That means you can't add or remove elements to or from the return list, and any attempt to add or remove elements will throw unsupported operation exception at runtime. So if you want to initialize a modifiable list, construct a new ArrayList object that wraps the fixed size list. Let me show you how to update the code. Okay. Now you see, what if I try to add elements to this list animal after initialization using Arrays.asList method. For example, I add host. Okay, and run the program. And you see, I got the exception, unsupported operation exception, because the list collection returned by the Arrays.asList method is fixed size. So to initialize a list that is modifiable, we need to construct a new ArrayList instance wrapping the list returned from the Arrays.asList method like this. Let me show you. New ArrayList. You see, and in the constructor of the ArrayList class, pass the return of the asList method like this, and then we can add or remove elements because the new ArrayList object is a modifiable collection. Now let me run the program, and you see it works, and it prints host here. And similarly for the List.of method, if you want to have a list that is modifiable, you also need to create a new ArrayList object wrapping the list returned by the List.of method. Here, if I try to remove the first one, I will get exception. You see, Java unsupported operation exception. Okay, so let me make the list modifiable, new ArrayList. Okay, and let me run again. And you see it works, and the first number was removed from the collection. So that's how to create and initialize a list collection with some default elements, some default values in just a single line, just one line in Java collections framework. You can use the Arrays.asList method or List.of method, and note that the list returned by these both methods is unmodifiable. So if you want to have a modifiable list, you need to construct a new list collection object such as ArrayList, and wrapping the list returned by the asList method or of method. You see. Alright, so that you have seen how to initialize a list collection with some default elements, default values in just a single line, in just one line in Java collections framework. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.